eyes, I replay the memory of you.
These products are made from the prisoners.
Yeah, for today's video, we are model.
I am a Barbie made of plastic, but
Fantastic!
It keeps me up at night, I can't help but think back to you. These skies have a different light, why noise that keeps me up at night, I can't help but think back to you.
Hello guys! Welcome back to another vlog. It's me, Oliver Cagas. Guys, for today's video is the day, the event of Pamela. So, natawa-tawa na lang si Joey, oh. I'm scared. I'm scared. So, we're just done breakfast. Tapos na kayong kumain ng breakfast. And then, hindi na ako nakapag-vlog na I didn't make a video earlier when we were in the breakfast room, in the buffet room. But if you want to check it out, Joey made a vlog for that. Huh? So please check it out to Joey's vlog. Joey ready home. Seni vlog. So later, what is our itinerary? What is our itinerary today?
Our plan?
Yeah.
Good question. I want to visit a fitness room here.
There's a gym here upstairs, no?
Yeah, and the third floor is a fitness room. And I will check it out. And you need to practice your model walk.
Runaway.
Your runaway on the
Run away, da 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 da. Catwalk. And then,
what we will do
in this moment of time, the ladies upstairs they are practicing right now, no? If you are in the fitness studio now, or later, I will go upstairs and then I will make a little vlog and then practice. So, and later I will meet our friends, and today at 5 p.m. we'll start the opening. The gate is open.
Yeah,
so
and it's until midnight or 1 a.m.
Yeah, but there's a raffle also, no? I hope we will win.
So the lottery.
Ticket. Yeah, the ticket. I hope we will win the grand prize, because the grand prize is a round trip ticket to the Philippines. If I go to the Philippines, I don't pay my ticket.
Yeah, would be nice for you.
It would be nice for you also. Maybe you will win, so you can go to the Philippines. No, only one.
Okay, one-way ticket to Philippines.
One-way ticket to the moon. One-way ticket.
That come back to Philippines, but
yeah,
don't
come back again. So, ngayon, naghintay kami ng mag-makeup room. Makeup room, we're going to wait the people who will clean the room, no? And then now, mag-chilling.
Yeah, well, we need to wait.
We don't need to wait.
We don't need to wait.
Okay, please don't listen to me.
Pakinggan ang sabi nila, focus on the goal. Sa akin ang tingin, sa akin ang singin.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Pamela Joy Prescott von Pressenkow, born Ilonga from Sagay City, Negros Occidental, representing Hamburg, Germany.
Uy, Joey nagba-vlog. Vlog. Hi, vlog.
Every vlogs.
Vlog to vlog.
Hi, vlog.
Vlog back to back.
Joey.
So, we are going to fitness studio because Joey wants to go to fitness studio. And we thought they don't have fitness studio now here. You want to go in other fitness studio. But we asked in the reception, we have fitness studio and sauna.
Yeah, I will check it.
And now, here's that. Need this room.
So,
Here. Is this third? This is falsch vielleicht. Fitness 301 bis third. Hey, immer da oben. Hier, begin hier.
ja, ist richtig.
Aber, hast du eine Karte?
Ja. Let's go. Very mysterious. Hello guys!
Dito kami sa fitness studio / sauna na din. Isang room lang siya. Pero may division, no? So, this moment of time, kung saan kami ngayon, dito tayo sa sauna area. Wellness. At saka meron isang balcony here. Si Joey ay nandyan na. This is the balcony. Your car!
Ja, in the sun. Oh je. Oder wie ich bald sagen würde,
Oo. So, let's go. Painit-init. Ah, pwede itong sauna din to na mainit lang siya. Para may tubig ba?
Was ist hier?
This sauna. This one. Walang tao. Here is the shower. Shower.
Die Sauna ist noch aus, oder?
Nee, aus, ja, genau.
Da kann man ein bisschen warm.
So it's the wellness. Sauna and fitness, you know.
I will make exercise later if you want to practice. You can't walk.
Okay, then let's go.
Let's go outside. Huh?
Here is the, I don't know, shower. Ay, locker room to. There's a locker room. Yung fitness, ay, nasa third floor. Third floor pala sila. Kaya balik na tayo sa downstairs.
So ngayon.
So guys, we are in the outside sa hotel. Kasi meron sila ditong lake. Uy, may apple, oh. Maliit na apple. Look!
Mini apple.
Mini apple, you know. Wow, here, look. Ito yung hotel ka guys, oh. Kaya na pa pala magtingin ka guys, kasi ang ganda kasi. Wow, fountain. Uy, may tanglad. May tanglad. Yan, tanglad, mga bosya, mga bosyas. Si Joey, nag-360 yan. Nice yan, no?
Yeah.
Look at the drowsy da. Here, my camera.
Achso.
Then here, 360. Yeah, I have 360 also.
Yeah, that's cheating. This is 360. It's what?
Cheating daw. Grabe naman sa cheating siya. The voting begins. The ladies cannot win. Me go home now. Uwian na. Backstage.
She wins.
Backstage na. Wow. Paano to? Ano to dito? Anong kaguluhan to? Ano kaguluhan?
Miss photogenic.
Ah, magboto-boto?
Pero may choice na kami.
Ah,
Pero pang presenting lang na sa mga papasok.
pero may choice na kayo isa, dalawa.
Isa. Miss
Isa lang.
photogenic isa lang.
Dapat dalawa pa. Ay, lahat na lang sila.
Well, pwede lang. Pero sabi naman sa akin, sabi ko naman sa kanila, i-print ko na lahat, tapos ito na yung souvenir nyo, tapos yung isa yung nanalo, may frame.
Yung frame. Meron na. From USA?
No, from Germany.
May
Miss
vlog na
Pisang
lang.
Negrita. Ne, from Saarland.
Saarland? Sa Stuttgart, no? Sa Ireland?
No, near France. Luxembourg, yung Saarland. Boundary.
Grenze ka. Okay.
Yeah.
So, hindi siya masyadong malayo dito.
Ba rin.
Malayo ah.
Dito? How many hours?
So, yung na-train ako is 7 hours.
Gabi, naglibog.
Nag-train ka?
Oo, 4 o'clock.
Hindi ka,
Umalis.
nag-car. Pag mag-car, ilang oras?
Almost 5 hours.
Ah, malayo din talaga, no?
So, malayo.
Malayo talaga. Sa amin, 3 hours.
Okay.
Ang layo naman dito sa Osnabrück na to.
Viewers, panoorin niyo yung vlog niya.
Thank you, te. Bye-bye.
These guys have a different different light. White noise that keeps me up at night. I can't help but think back to you. I wish that I could find a face that I would recognize. I replay the memory of you. It's been hard, you know I wanted to stay cool.
Hi everyone, guys, I'm with my beautiful friend.
Kano pala
No,
mo?
love.
Bars to.
Wow, dito, doon kami sa kwarto, uy.
Nag-ano ka?
Gusto niya mag-gym. Why nag-practice tayo? Daw, sige. Daoben. Pumunta kami kanina.
Oh, man.
Pumunta kami kanina. May sauna, may...
Nakita na yung pamilya. Practice.
Pumunta ka na doon sa taas. Oo. Tara na daw. Punta na doon.
Sino sabi?
Alas dos man mag-practice.
Wag namin. Lagyan na.
Ate.
Isabel.
Ah, Isabel?
Isabel.
Si Parmi manis na.
Si Para. Eh, kilala mo si Para, di ba?
Kilala mo siya.
Yung para-para.
Yung maliit. Yung maliit.
Para-para dito lang kami.
Oliver, yung yun ako mapil. Ikaw mo lang.
Uy, buong. Ate sis, oh. Ate sis, oh.
Ay, sabon niya eh.
Uy, model to si, si Mami Rose for today's video.
Sabi natin Dalia, next year ikaw naman na namin.
Oh, why not?
So kayo gani ko kayo pa. Doktora kayo lang para. Martin hat Nobis Neha in the Dortmund. Von der Freundin Haus. Und dann Sparing. Dapat di ba in andere Hotel.
Asan na? Wo ist Dom?
Ich weiß es nicht. Dong
Hat es gefragt, no?
kontaktiert nicht.
Yeah, hindi naman nagtatanong si Dom kung ano na makaganapan dito. Choose. Uy! Oh. So, you can... Oh, di ba? Sa auntie.
Kasi Philippine siya.
Celebrities.
Oliver, tell me, Joey. Philippine siya.
Doc, advice to siya. Listen na. The Google is free.
What? The Google?
You can Google everything.
Yeah.
Right, Carissa? But Carissa can explain it to you.
These products, the Filipiniana stuff and this one, I don't have any profit from this. I am just helping a certain charity event or activities by the J. Tapero Crown Master. These products are made from the prisoners. So
Back in the Philippines.
Yes, in a way, I'm not.
Prisoners?
Pardon me?
Prisoners?
Yes, prisoners.
Gefängnis.
Also die Leute, die in Gefängnis sind.
They made this?
Yes.
Yeah.
These
Handmade,
are,
no?
These are handmade. Really handmade.
Kaya,
This is hand-woven.
makita mo talaga every details niya, maano mo talaga
These
na.
are also hand-woven. This is really woven and it's not machine. It's not made in machine. It is hand-woven. Yes. And even if you are going...
That looks like a little bit from Peru.
Peru daw.
That's a typical inala from the Philippines.
Oh.
And if you are going to notice, look at this one. These are hand-made. Like really hand-sewn. And like what I told you last night, the Barong Tagalog, we have a double color. We changed even the color itself.
How much time anybody needs to make this?
One of these took like 3 to 4 days.
Wow.
One of this. Because the material itself, that's not a normal cloth material, it's also woven.
How much
That's
is this?
a silk.
How much is it?
Actually,
How much is this?
Okay, you need to dance. How much is this?
This is cottage? No, that's not
this is 165 euros only.
Wow.
And that 165, the whole 165 euros will go to the charity. Like what I've said, I don't have any profit. Aside from the normal clothes, those are mine.
Look at the
Maganda yan. Ano yan? Silver. Made in silver.
Bili ka na, Mami Rose.
Uy, ang dami ko nang nabili dyan kay Rizal.
Kay Rizal to?
Oo, kay Rizal yan.
Zirconia stones.
Sabi nga niya sa akin kung may magustuhan ako.
Hintayin ko na lang si Parmo.
Tipid ako eh.
So guys, grab na. This is nice. Look.
No.
And this is Dior style. Look at this one. The earrings. Dior style yan. Those are the Dior designs.
Ito yung bagong design
Yes.
na Rizal.
So grab na kayo. You can also...
It's your time to shine. You like it? From Money Joey.
Like that. Frühstück.
Boah, das war, also breakfast was very tasty. Sehr geil. Vor allen Dingen voll viel. Viel Auswahl.
Keeps me up at night, I can't help but think back to you. I wish that I could find a face that I would recognize.
Tulungan tayo, okay? See you later, mag-meet up na kayo, mag-meeting. Tapos, pangalaman. Thank you.
Just look at me.
Ikaw ang kinukuhanan?
Halika. The backstage. Backstage ng Miss Universe, di ba? May ganito sa Miss
Testan ka ba? Ay, ito kasi sa akin na yun.
Ito yung suotin namin tayo. Ito yung suotin namin para mag-ramp mode. This we're going to wear for boys.
For boys?
This is good, no? White, a beige, and then black pants.
Yeah, that's for you. It's made for you. Oli, what was you feeling in the stage?
I feel like I'm in heaven.
Heaven?
Something different, you know? Something that's
It's not virtual on YouTube, it's real on stage.
Yeah.
For today's video, we are model. Ngayon lang ito. Dala ka ng black?
Naja.
Sumayaw pala sa
Ich glaube, du musst dein T-Shirt ausziehen, also dein schwarzes. Dann ist besser. Take out your shirt,
Walang
mister.
salamin. Ay,
Huh?
Extra ba magbayad?
So this is the behind the scene. Wow. Ay, mag-model? Ay, magrampa kahit isang beses lang ba? Kahit na. Isang model, isang lakad lang naman. Isang lakad lang naman yun, di ba? Ito, behind the scene ka, guys. Ito yung masusuotin natin.
Hier, ihm passt nicht.
Next. It's gross for dish, no? It's gross, klein for dish?
Guck mal, das ist
Wala siyang masuot kasi super tangkad niya kasi na ito maliliit pa mga Asian size. This is Asian size. Asian size.
Bakit naman gano'n?
Siya, naghanap na siya ako tapos na. Ay, sorry ah.
Bakit gano'n?
Sorry ah. Andiyan ka pala.
Orange.
Siya na lang talaga ako kuha sa orange.
Dalawa yan, okay sa'yo.
Ikaw kasi ginugulo ko ako dito.
Itong ano natin, oh, big winner of sa bahay ni Kuya. Sa bahay natin, Dalia.
Ibuburol ako dito.
Ibuburol. Para ka sa Batang Quiapo ba, na ibuburol na.
May vlog na, di ba?
Iwanan ko man yung bag ko sa pinsin.
Ate Pamela, you're excited? Utang, may lista sa utang na ini.
Hindi ko pa nasusulatan.
Lista sa utang. Sila, oy. Yung manicure natin pa oh, gold.
Ay, kunin ko muna yung accessories. Kung sa'yo mo order.
Di ba excited ka? Unsa may mong feeling?
Kinakabahan.
Normal nandiyan ka ba no? Pressure.
Ay, tickets, raffle ba? Ay,
Hindi ko pa natutulatan yata yung ano ko.
Ako tapos na.
Nagawa kasi ako ng booking.
Binigay ko na kay Ate Amelia. Behind the scene, no?
Ako lang yung support group.
Mrs. Euro. Model lang. Uy, para ano? Para may gagawin niya. Para may gagawin niya kababalik. Hindi ako mag-France.
Sa akin,
Ay, sa babae.
manipis siya, makikita yung mga tuntoy.
Ay, ready to show it. On the world.
Ito tapos na?
Sa lalaki, underwear lang. Hindi ba? Close mo kasi yan.
Pwede magsuot lang nito, wala na pang baba. Oo.
Wala kayong black pants?
Wala na talaga susuot.
Wala nang susuotin niya.
Sabi nila?
Yun ang gusto namin dalawa. Para maiba naman. Ha? Ayun yan o.
Totoo lang?
Oo, pwede naman. Ay, naku, hindi ko
Show yan eh. Oli, show ka guys what you will wear.
I'm wearing... Sinong
Sabi
designer?
na magdala ng black pants?
Sinong designer nito?
Ay, si ano,
Ronnie Liang?
yan.
Ano? Yeah, kumakain. Sige rin yung...
Just only wear the upper.
I'm wearing...
White, black.
Only this one, and this one. I'm going to steam it because it's magusot. But after stir.
Vielleicht kann er mein Hemd auch noch bügeln.
Patiently waiting, you know.
Oh, Oli's waiting.
Waiting for spectacular moment.
Always Oli waiting.
Yeah, siya bidol.
Nalala ko yung gidog. Please stand by. Sa trabaho, exam ako nung ano.
Pagkatapos na
Second take ako nung Vlogger! Tada!
So guys, ito na. Steamer to, right? Steamer. Para pagsuot mamaya ba? Walang gusot. Diba? Ano siya na para...
Ay, yung binigay ko name sa'yo?
Ito si Alpha, si Lovely kay
Tapos uwi na kayo. Ganun lang yan, kasi uwi na, ganun lang.
Please cut it.
Please cut it, it's your vlog. You can cut it. Uh-oh, battery is blinking.
Ito po yung susuotin ko mamaya. So kailangan lang siyang daanan ng steamer para mag-shine ako doon while naglakad-lakad. Uy, meron pa dito eh.
Now the battery is red and blinking.
Only this one.
Only this?
Yeah, because it's in the night, you know, right? So I'm going to walk twice. 2 times. It's my mom.
With the white and with the black shirt, right?
I told to Joey that if he can walk. What did you say?
Lass mich in Ruhe.
Lass mich in Ruhe.
Ambot ni Moy.
I will bring your camera, but please don't.
I need to hold my flag and his flag.
Oh, you are late. Ito pa, you are late, Dai. Sabi ko sa'yo.
Alam mo naman maraming ginagawa. Sa buhay. In case lang may kailangan. So, okay na.
We are finished.
But thank you for your...
Uwe Nickbert. Buy it on Amazon. Russell Hobbs. Oh, this is a quality company.
Yeah, no? Hi, Evrika, guys. Hi, Evrika, guys. Hi, Evrika, guys, no? Hi, out there. Dito ako ngayon sa room ni Mami Rose at saka ni Isabel. Kasi yung room nila ay lapit lang talaga sa amin. Isang direction lang.
Ano naman, lahat na to sa baba.
Sila, Irene, nasa taas.
Ano sa taas sila?
3rd floor sila, Irene.
Maganda dun sa taas.
Oo, kasi makita mo talaga yung may balkon. So ngayon, siya ang gumagawa ng buhok ni Mami Rose, make-up. Hair and makeup tong ginagawa, di ba?
Buti na lang, no?
Sa akin naman, wala lang. Dito lang ako, tingtingin. si Isabel, no? Siya daw ang mag-makeup konti sa mukha ko kasi magrampa ka tayo may run away and then para maiba na mukha na sinaw-sinaw ba? Mag-glow up. Tapos si Joey. Si Joey.
Joey para paso?
Hindi ba? Mag-makeup lang konti. Paano lang konti?
May lotion po ka, may iyak po.
Oo nga, tapos yun lang. Buti na pumayag si Isabel.
Magdan pagtulog. Yan ang ginag-make up.
Ay, dito kayo matulog, tabi kayo. So ito yung suotin ko. Okay na siguro yun, no?
Mula sa Shein?
No?
Dalawa di ay?
Dalawa. Yung magkuhan sila sa kuha, magkulang na pa next month.
Taga nag-order?
Ang buto, wag nanay nagamit. Bakit na ako?
Yan na po nag-email na po. Parang reply 5 na.
Thank you, Shein. This is from Shein, no?
Ganda siya, hindi halatang Shein.
No, hindi halatang Shein, no?
Ganda.
Tapos, if you want to order, please use my code, Oliver Cargas, para may 15% discount kayo. Ayan.
€100 ang kailangan orderan.
So, ngayon,
Kasi man yung bracelet ulit, wala ka nagdala bracelet.
Wala na. Pumunta na ako dito para make up, balik ako doon. Hindi pa ako tapos sa katawan ng lupa ko.
Wapo ni Oliver, no?
Pero ikaw talaga, ang ganda ni Auntie.
Siyempre.
Tapos sa make up, punta ako doon.
Bubularan kayo, dala-dala.
Subscribe namin, sabi nila, nagkakatawa kayong dalawa, lagi kayong away, parang kayong asot po sa...
So, alam nyo ang pusa.
Ako.
Kasi may pusa kayo. Ako aso kasi may pusa kami. Aso kami. Ayun.
No. Sa boy pa lang yan.
Oo, kasi nga mahal nga dito ang drinks. Pwede ka magdala pala mga drinks dito, no?
Pwede naman, pagtagutan. Nagdalaga ako ng tubig, oh.
Kami din. Naubos ng tubig ko. Nahingi ako dun sa restaurant.
Pwede eh?
Oo, nahingi ako eh. Pwede mahingi ng tubig, yes.
Sa ano lang, sa light, dili.
Hindi, sa kanila talaga. May ano doon.
May bayad.
Nahingi ako ng tubig ba? Kanina sa breakfast.
Di doon sa taas, sa event.
Dito ba?
Ay, sa breakfast, walang bayad. Kaya ano man yun.
Dito ba? Hingi ka ng tubig sa kanila na pang inom?
Pero diyan, pag inumin natin, may bayad yan.
Hindi, ay. Libre yan dyan. Meron din dyan kape sa isang ano.
Libre. Alam niyo kayo, may hotel biyan sila.
Libre yan mga.
Kung magbayad kami, ikaw magbayad ha?
Okay lang. Okay. Ito yung Bramo. So ito yung Bramo na sa hotel.
Oo, yan.
Okay.
Wow. Ito yung hotel ko. Pagrampa ba?
Ay, mag-bra ka lang mamaya. Ano to, Avon? Ano pala ang ano natin irampa? Mga Avon products? Avon pala?
Victoria's Secret.
Oo.
Victoria's Secret.
So, ang galing yan, no? Ano siya, no?
Ano pa maya?
Victoria's Secret. So, ikaw yung sekreto nila. Kaya, hindi na binta ang Victoria. Kaya ikaw yung sekreto, kaya pala.
Huwag ikaw, Oliver ba?
Anyway, ang galing mo, no? Marunong ka dyan sa hair and makeup.
Gusto niya i-house build dong mag-makeup.
Kaya ano? Kay Irene?
Ginampi ka, Irene?
Cosmetics kay Irene ba ya?
Tama pala yung mag-ano siya bukas mag-
Kay Irene ka!
Yep.
Saan ka ba nakatira?
Bopart na.
Parang nagalit din. Parang may branch sila doon.
Tapos ka na mag-ano, beratong kay Irene?
Hindi, ka Irene ka! Ano kita?
Yeah.
Oh.
Bukas nga daw, sabay kami. Lahat.
Oo.
Mag-ano siya, berat.
Mga.
Account, diba? Until now.
Wow, thank you, Sabel. Inano niya yung buhok ko, oh. Pinakulot-kulot konti.
Wow, wala. Bagay sa'yo, Oli.
Kunti ng kulot.
Magkatid tayo kasal?
Wedding.
Wedding.
Wow.
Wedding day.
Kulot ang buhok mo, no? Para, ano ba? Para ibang style. Kung mama ni Hara, is this okay?
Ich fand deine vorherige Frisur auch schön.
Das
Ja,
aber
okay.
ist anders. So. Grabe si Belle, oy. Buti na meron tayong friend. And the name is Belle. Ano yun?
Hindi. Kulay.
Kung mamaya pag magpunta tayo. Dati Ate Dalia, oh. Ate Dalia.
Englisch. Sie kann auch Deutsch, aber sie muss trotzdem Deutsch lernen.
Ja, klar, wenn sie...
Wie lange bist du schon hier? Deutsch?
5 Jahre.
5?
Du auch, du bist auch 5, oder?
Nee, der ist schon 7.
6.
Ui, mag-yan.
Ja, ich mach das auch immer bei ihm. Irgendwann hat er ganz eckige Ohren.
Das ist typisch Deutsche, macht immer so.
Echt?
Ja, Martin macht das auch.
So, hier. Hier.
Wo ist denn der Negligé?
Ja, auch hier.
Hindi naman ako takot.
Para ikaw na mag-vlog.
Ay, sakit lang.
Ikaw na lang.
Ano ka na, no?
Let's eat. So, ito yung entrance. So, we can go there.
Yeah, and I saw George.
We never smelled it before. Take a photo. Just a photo?
Yeah.
Wow, kakain na po kami. Oh, buffet to buffet. Rice. Kay Joey is rice, Kartoffel.
Meine Kartoffeln schmecken nach Lachs.
Kain na.
Hallo.
Hello.
Rose.
Kain po tayo.
Yeah, and Dong. You see Dong?
Dog, it's not there. Not yet. We're waiting for your dog.
Dog is on the way.
Yes, but dog is VIP.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Ja, ich bin da der.
Ngaunta ka, guys. Wait. Look.
Here's the ticket to go. VIP. O, napauna na ito ng drink na doon. Ito na lang siya balik. Ano niya?
Sige, go. Kaka.
Asa mapagkuha? Asa mapagano?
Gani mo, pumunta na ako. Wala po kabalong sa akon ba?
Sorry, wir essen jetzt was.
Lecker?
Möchte zufällig jemand meine Kartoffeln?
Nee, muss nicht. Das schmeckt nicht.
Schmecken. Lachs, Fisch. Kartoffeln, die nach Fisch schmecken.
So presenting Barbie.
I am a Barbie made of plastic pot.
Fantastic! Grabe naman yung... Very SPG ha.
Beauty and Brain, eh?
Oh.
Das ist ja ein Excellent.
Ja, sie hat gewonnen.
Sie hat gewonnen.
Miss...
Ja, sie ist Beauty and Brain. Und ihre Talent war auch schön.
Yan na gamay.
Ayaw. Bingka.
Paano ka? Pag ano, kunti lang. Oh. Oh, tapos niya, bili na kayo ng barong.
Uy, pamalit mo barong na, pamalit mo Pilipin niya.
Mura lang. Paligyan na ito. 10 euro. Grabe ka naman sa 10 euro, oy.
Ang barong Tagalog.
Dito na si Dong. Ang Bisaya.
Ang barong Bisaya.
May Bisarong Bisaya?
Joey,
Hi,
Irene.
Ayan, ako ba daw?
Wow.
Ayun, wala na kaming upuan.
Wow, Kirsten, ha?
Schick, außer ich.
Irene,
Wala nang upuan
VIP man kami.
Oh, wala nang upuan sa VIP, ubos na.
VIP wala ng lugar. Dito na lang kami. Dito na lang kayo? Pwede isahong na lang sa VIP.
Tuno?
Ako din. Dito na lang tayo kay Panguro, pero meron na. Sino nakaupo doon? Dito na lang kami, isahong na rin na.
Ukani para unya ba para grabe kita.
Dito na lang ng corner.
Kakain lang muna tayo.
Yes.
After kain, pwede na siyang
Una, kay magkuhan naman ko.
Wow.
Sport shoes na ko, bala mo siya.
Sasali pa siya ng gymnastics.
Oo. YOLO. Ay, YOLO.
You are late. Late siya palagi, no? Very German. Ha? Very bad. Palaging late.
These skies have a different light. Why noise that keeps me up at night? I can't help but think back to you. I wish that I could find a face that I would recognize. I replay the memory of you. It's been hard, you know I wanted to stay, caught us off guard, but there was no other way. Did you wait? 'Cause I've been counting the days, and I'm calling up to say I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. I'm coming my embrace. This time I promise it won't break. I'm hoping that things haven't changed. Life took us far apart, but it never took away my heart. Have you been holding it safe? 'Cause it's been hard. You know I wanted to stay, caught us off guard, but there was no other way. Did you wait? 'Cause I've been counting the days, and I'm calling up to say I'm coming home to you.